is Megan Thee Stallion, aka Young Tina Snow, aka the A. Sean Hardy, and right now you're watching All Urban Central. Wow. Okay, quick updates on my family. They is about to expand. As you can see, they're trying for a baby in the hot tub. So I will let you know later. It's like I just want to use social media like y'all use social media. Like, you know, like this is my day. I'm talking to my people, you know. And then it's like the shit be popping up as a headline. It's like, y'all, so this is the ashtray Brooke made me, and it's so cute. My nail is broke, so we're not gonna talk about that, but like, isn't it so cute?
Twin, stamp it.
It's already stamped. I'm just doubling down.
You doubling down.
Big mama. Bitch. Yeah, we're here. We made it. Come on. She's supposed to get her stuff after the show. I ain't gonna look. She wanna be out.